We as people often live very busy lives. In traffic they warn that speed kills. But we never notice the busyness of our own lives. And if we look at mental wellness, so most mental health issues develop slowly over time. Nobody is stressed the next day if you are totally calm and relaxed. Nobody gets burned out overnight. We often want to fix mental health issues like this. It doesn't work this way. You need to understand what is going on here in your own inner domain. And then, if you develop understanding, you can make a difference. So take a moment, pause, relax. If you allow yourself a moment of relaxation, if you allow yourself your breathing to calm down, you can change things. Wellness orbit trainings are about finding a different understanding about interpersonal skills and how to lead yourself. Come and check them out.